This is the most important distribution. The entire next 2 units we will be studying with this only. For that purpose only, I have sent the normal distribution table to your CRs. They might have forwarded it to you, or they will be forwarding it to you. Okay, all right. So next, where we are using. I no need of telling where we are using, since you are seeing your marks itself. So many changes are there. That means from 0 to 100 marks we will be seeing. That means minimum and maximum marks we will be seeing. That is what. So all these values will be distributed in such a way, just like a bell curve it will be distributing. So the shape of the curve also I will be showing to you. Discrete distribution means no curve will not be possible, but continuous distribution means we will be getting the curve. Continuous curve we will be getting. You have learned continuous means it without any break it will be happening. So we can see the next slide. That is, since it is a continuous distribution, its probability density function. Here the probability density function is quite new to you. It is 1 by sigma into root of 2 pi e power exponential power minus of x minus mu whole power 2 by 2 sigma square. Here the parameters sigma and mu. In the binomial distribution you have learned parameters n and p, and in the Poisson distribution you have learned what is the Poisson distribution, what is the parameter which you have learned. Poisson distribution. Any parameter you learned or not? Poisson distribution. Or nothing is there? Poisson distribution. Lambda, you might have learned it as lambda. Yes, lambda is the parameter of the Poisson distribution. Here the parameters are sigma and mu. X value varies from minus infinity to plus infinity. It is a continuous distribution. But in the case of binomial distribution, it was varying from 0 to n. And in the Poisson distribution, 0 to infinity. But in this case, from minus infinity to plus infinity, it is moving. And mu is known as the mean, and sigma is known as the standard deviation. What are all you have already seen? Mean is also known as expectation of x, and standard deviation is the positive square root of variance, sigma. Yes. If a random variable x follows a normal distribution, it is known as normal random variable. Random variable. We already learned in the first unit random variable. Random variable means a real number which is associated with the outcome of a random experiment. Random variable means a real value. That real value means in the real number system, associated with the outcome of a random experiment. That is what random variable. So if a random variable x follows this probability density function, it is known as a normal random variable. This you should remember. First of all, this probability density function you should remember. I told you it is a continuous distribution, so the curve looks like a bell. It is not touching the x-axis, it is parallel to x-axis. While drawing, I am not able to completely stretch it up. That is the reason, or I have taken from the net. It is looking like that. It is parallel to x-axis. It is not touching. This is the shape of the curve. Normal curve looks like this. It is a bell-shaped curve. Mu is the mean. It is, you can see here, mu. And it is x-axis, it is y-axis. Usually with x-axis and y-axis, we will be plotting the curve. Mean is exactly in the middle. For the curve, the maximum value we are seeing here. So next we are going for the mean of the normal distribution. Mean you are knowing for a continuous random variable, mean is also known as expectation of x. Definition you have already learned, that is minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x dx. What is f of x? F of x is the probability density function. So here the probability density function is 1 by sigma into root of 2 pi e power minus of x minus mu whole square by 2 sigma square dx. In this limit is applicable for x only. So sigma and root 2 pi are constant, that I have taken outside. You should write down, then only you will be able to correlate, otherwise it is not possible, all of you. 1 by sigma into root of 2 pi minus infinity to plus infinity. X I have written like that, e power minus x minus mu whole square by 2 sigma square dx. Just like that I have copied here. I think it is clear for you. Those who want to see, I am keeping it for 1 minute. Any doubts are there, write it in the chat box. I hope that nothing is there. Today we are going to find out the mean and variance of the normal distribution. Can I move to the next slide? Most of you are sleeping or not? Afternoon session. Anybody wants to ask some questions, they can put it here as I can see chat box, but you cannot see, huh? Okay, alright. I will make it small and I will bring it back. Okay, alright, good. Then how you wrote in this? Can you see your chat box? Now it is visible. Okay, alright. Okay. I was thinking that if you cannot see, how can? Yes, ma'am, that is what you have written, so I can continue. For finding mean, we are using mean. Definition we are using, not to find the mean, we are using the definition, nothing else. Rohan, yes, we are using the definition. I am not going to use mean for mean itself. Anyway, it is a good joke. Alright, everybody might have woke up from their sleep. I am going. Now I am going to show the next slide. Can I show? Aditya, that was the last chat which I am seeing. Yes. Rohan, can I go forward? No answer means I will move. You can see the chat box or not? Yes, alright. So I am moving to the next slide. Some sound is coming. Everybody should keep mute their mic.
Ma'am, this is Rupa, ma'am.
Yes. Anything? Tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, we are not able to see the chat box, and every time it is going off.
Okay, then I will make it this slide slow, the other mode, and I will do it. Okay, that will be better.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you see the chat box now? Okay, I will keep it in this mode. Yesterday Sandeep was telling that that PPT was not bigger size, that is why I kept it in that mode. This mode will be enough, madam?
Yeah,
you
but
see?
actually we are not able to see the chat box, ma'am. Actually, I am trying to
At
put it
present?
again and again, but again it is not seen, ma'am. Now also.
Then I will, better I will stop sharing and I will go for it. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, yes, I will make it. Again it is disappeared, but it is coming. What about now?
Box if
Can you see?
here only you keep, ma'am. Here only in this
Ah.
in this window only, this
Ah.
bigger window only you should keep this chat box. If not, we are not able to see, ma'am.
I am keeping that, but it is going. I don't know what is the problem, but okay, all right. Let it be like that only. Any problem is again, please you tell, madam. Unmute your mic and please tell. Since students are not
Yes, ma'am.
opening their mouth or they cannot tell also, is it? That is why. Okay, please
Yes,
tell, madam.
yes, they cannot
No,
speak. Yes,
okay, I
ma'am, they
will.
cannot
Now I
speak.
will share it. Now I will share.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
I will keep in this mode only, madam.
But again, now chat box
Okay.
went away, ma'am. Chat box left. It is gone, ma'am. Ma'am, you share your screen. I will open the chat box, ma'am.
You will open. Okay, all right. Okay. Okay. Okay, you open. Can you see now? Now it is going down, is it?
Yes, ma'am. 1 second. I'm opening, ma'am.
Ah.
Now we can see it, ma'am.
Okay, whenever possible, when any problem means just you open it, madam.
Okay, ma'am. No, I'm doing from that time, but again, whenever you click on your screen, no, again it is going away. I'm trying to
Wait.
put that chat box again and again, but it is going off like that.
One thing I will do, I will keep it in this mode only. I will not make it slideshow. That is what I think. Then it will be okay, all
Okay,
right.
ma'am.
Little bit small, but they can see it, no problem at all. Now I am changing, no problem.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes,
Yeah.
everything fine, I think. Students also I will ask once. Yes. Is it fine? I hope it is all right. I again gone. Is it? Ma'am, Yoga madam. Yes. I better let them answer it.
I have. Now it's okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now I am moving to the next slide. I am moving to next slide. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. So we are going to substitute z equal to x minus mu by sigma. We are substituting. Earlier it was previous slide I should take means I will take that in this x minus mu by sigma I am substituting as another variable, that is z equal to x minus mu by sigma. We are differentiating dz is equal to dx by sigma. Mu is a constant. X is a variable, Z is a variable, sigma is a constant. So dx by sigma only we are getting. Alright. And we are seeing that previous slide again I will take. In that we are seeing that x is there, x should be replaced, this should be replaced, x minus mu by sigma should be replaced, dx should be replaced, then only we will be getting in the simplest form. So we are getting from this we will be able to get what it is x is equal to z sigma plus mu we will be getting. Z sigma plus mu x is equal to that I have written here. 1 by sigma into root 2 pi I have taken outside, x value I wrote here, and in place of this I will be writing the substituted variable that is z. So I put it as z square by 2 and sigma dz I have written here in place of dx. In place of dx. You check it. I think voice is correct or not? Yes. Pujita. Okay, now you see the slide and whether it is clear or not, this slide part is clear or not, you check it. Yes. All of you, I have substituted in place of x and I have substituted in place of x minus mu by sigma and in place of dx I have substituted. Can I move to the next slide? Since normal distribution is a very important topic, everybody should know it. That is why you cannot escape from that. In future also it is very useful. I am going to take the next slide. I have splitted the interval. That means I will show you. Here one plus sign is there. So this one part, this another part I am doing, sigma is at one part and mu other part. This is all, these are common for both of them. So I will write 1 by root 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity sigma z e power minus z square by 2 dz I will be writing plus 1 by root 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity mu e power minus z square by 2 dz I will write. You can also write. Yes, first step is clear, I think, what I have told you. Check it. Is it clear or not? First step, we have splitted and written. Yes. Okay. Then, if you have written, I am going to the next step. Sigma I am taking outside. Sigma I took outside. Since it is a constant, it is independent of, now our new variable is different, not x, it is z. So we have taken sigma outside, sigma by root 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity as it is I have written. Here mu is a constant that I took outside. The remaining I have written as it is. Check it, second line. Is it clear or not? Yeah, Sagar has told it is clear. Dasmiya Sagar has told it is clear. Yes, Dinesh. Yes. Those who are, it is any problem means immediately you should write step by step. You have to do it. Once you understood, it is easy for you to write without any difficulty and you can score mark also. It is a very good scoring subject. Okay. I am going to the next one. Next step. It is an odd function. You see, that is available here. We have learned it in intermediate. If it is an odd function, f of minus z equal to minus f of z comes, it is an odd function. Odd function means minus infinity to plus infinity. It will be equal to 0. You can write down in your notebook, it is an odd function. All of you. This is an odd function, so value will become minus infinity to plus infinity, it will become 0. Here you see, this is a constant outside. Inside you can see that it is an even function. Nothing else is there, even though it is an exponential function, no odd variable is not there. So we are getting it is an even function. Even function means, again we have learned it in intermediate, minus infinity to plus infinity means we can write it as 2 times integral 0 to infinity we can write. Yes. E power minus z square by 2 dz. 2 times I have written. So first step is 0. Second step 2 times 0 to infinity. Am I correct? Did you get it? Yes. All of you check it. Write down also, again and again I am telling. So 0 I have removed, the remaining part I have written it like that itself. Mu by root of 2 pi 2 times 0 to infinity e power minus z square by 2 dz. Is it clear? Yes, can I move to the next slide? Yes. Dinesh, can I move to the next slide? See Dinesh. Yes, okay. Alright. So next step is little, you should understand it, why it is. Previous slide here, integral 0 to infinity e power minus z square by 2 dz is coming. This we cannot find out by integrating without using any special function. Special function means the last semester you have learned beta gamma function you have learned. Yes, I don't know whether you learned it in detail or not, since our problem has started from March 15. That is why whether it happened or not, I don't know. But I am telling you that you have to remember this result. Beta gamma function is also a very important topic in your, that means future. Gamma, oh very good, Bharadwaj. Okay, you learned it. Okay, Dinesh also telling. Okay, I had a doubt, so no problem. If you have learned, that is well and fine. So I can directly tell the answer that it is root of pi by 2. Gamma function, we are using the gamma function. Can I move? I am afraid to move the chat box, but still I want to show you little that. Okay. Gamma n is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus x power n minus 1 dx, gamma n which you have learned, and also its properties you have learned. Then it is integral 0 to infinity e power minus z square by 2 dz. That means actually we are after some substitution and all, we have found out that result, so we got it as integral 0 to infinity e power minus z square by 2 dz. It is coming in the form of a gamma function after the simplification, not what I have written here. It is the property which I have. Yes, I will show you, right. Yes, I will show. One second. One more slide I will complete and I will go back. So we are getting the root 2 and root 2 is coming as 2. Pi and pi getting cancelled. Mu we are getting. Yes. So the mean of the normal distribution is mu. Mu is the parameter I have told. Parameter means the distribution is depending upon that variables. How mu mean is varying, how the standard deviation is varying, according to that its movement, the distribution's movement, it depends upon that. Now, some of them are asked me to show the previous slides. So once again I will go back to the first slide. Only 4 slides are there for the mean. So let me go back to the 4 slides one by one. Expectation of x means we are using the definition of mean of a random variable x into f of x dx, x into probability density function of the normal distribution I have written here. You should remember it. Constants I have taken outside. Then I am giving the substitution x minus mu by sigma is as another variable. I am moving to the next slide. We are differentiating it. Dz is equal to dx by sigma. Mu is a constant, sigma is a constant. Only these two are variables. So 1 by sigma into root of 2 pi, in place of x we wrote here. Here also I will write substitute x minus mu by sigma is z, and in place of dx I have written sigma dz. That is what? Sigma and sigma I cancel. 1 by root 2 pi. Remaining I have written like that only. I am moving side. Okay. Bharadwaj, can I move to the next slide? Yes, Bharadwaj is okay, Shai is okay also. Okay, now we will split this. We will split this. That means this one part, this another part. Yes, we have written here one part and second part. That means sigma z we have written and mu we put here. This is because of sigma, and here sigma I took outside, z is there. Only because of this we are getting it as an odd function. Odd function means f of minus z equal to f of z. Sorry, f of minus z equal to minus f of z. So, according to our knowledge which we learned it in intermediate, we are writing it as 0. This we are writing it as 2 times 0 to infinity we wrote. So this we removed, we wrote it like that itself. Next we are using the gamma function and we are writing it as root of pi by 2. Root of pi by 2 we are writing, that is the result from the gamma function we got last year. I am moving to the next slide. Okay. So I am getting the result as mean is equal to mu. Mean is mu. Can I go for the variance? Are you alright? Are you clear? I need some more answers. Some more students are attending. I am supposed to get 540 students at least. How many students are there today? Whoever may be, yes. Is it clear? Means I will move to variance. Yes, okay, all right. Since theory, go ahead. Okay, all right, okay. Next, we are going to see variance of normal distribution. I cannot leave the theory part since in this theory questions also will come. Okay. If you are supposed to answer the full question means one theory question, one problem, like that only it will come. So you cannot escape. That is the reason in detail I am telling it all this. Variance of a normal distribution. When I taught uniform distribution, I have to take it as expectation of x square minus expectation of basic definition of variance itself I am taking, that is expectation of x minus mu whole square I am taking. Basic definition. Uniform distribution I have taken the result which we were using for the problem. Here I am taking the basic definition. Okay. So it is we know that expectation of x means integral minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x dx. Whatever comes here into f of x only we are supposed to write for the expectation. So we are writing x minus mu whole square into f of x dx. Here capital X takes so many values, that is why here small x is coming. There is no change in that. While teaching in the class, students will be asking me all these. Whatever questions I have seen earlier, according to that I am explaining. Any more doubts means you should ask. Those questions students asked earlier, based on that I will be explaining. So x minus mu whole square f of x dx. This will become small letter. It takes so many values. So x minus mu whole square into probability density function which we have learned for the normal distribution I have written here. Yes, Ruba madam. Ma'am is there? Okay. All right. Thank you.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I am putting it.
No, I mean, okay. I think I need
So
one.
again,
Sorry. Okay, sorry, ma'am. What is happening? I don't know. I am not touching, but still it is. Okay, all right. So
But
we have
it's okay,
put
ma'am.
the.
Whenever it is not the same, I will put it, ma'am. No problem.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. So this is the probability density function 1 by sigma into root of 2 pi e power minus x minus mu whole square by 2 sigma square dx. As we have done it in the case of expectation of x, we will give the substitution, new variable we will be giving. Now you are familiar with that. You can see that is equal to x minus mu by sigma dz dx by sigma. Yes. Let me take back the previous slide, then only I can tell that what all I substituted. X minus mu. I have to substitute for x minus mu, and x minus mu by sigma I should substitute. Dx also I should substitute. So x minus mu by sigma is equal to z, means we will be getting x minus mu is sigma is z. I have written it sigma is z whole square. Earlier we have seen this, so you know that e power minus z square by 2. Dx means sigma dz. Yes. Okay. Now I am having one sigma here, it is there. I will cancel both of them. This as it is I am writing. There is no change. Since sigma is independent of z, the variable it is a constant, I am taking it outside. The remaining all I have written it like that. All of you check it. Is it clear or not? You check it. Anything extra if I am telling, you can note down that also. Yes, that will make you to recollect it easily. All 9 section students, you are supposed to hear. Yes. I need more clear or yes answer or no answer. Something I need. At least that chat box should be there. If you use only, it will be there. Otherwise, it will run away. You use it. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Oh, but you are not catching. Actually, we will book. You are not now. You are not going to market. Is it full corona? Now you are not going. You see from the net and what class, what I am teaching. From that you study. After that we will decide. Oh, online I will. Okay. I will show you. Online I will send it to you in the group. I will put the prescribed text itself. I will put it. Okay. All right. Now can I move? Is it clear? Can I move? Okay, next slide I will show. We have reached here. Sigma square by root of 2 pi, integral minus infinity to plus infinity, z square e power minus z square by 2 dz. What you are seeing, is it an even function or odd function you are seeing here? Again, what we have used earlier, the same thing we can use here. Odd or even function. You don't think about this. Okay, alright, even function. So, we can go for it. Next slide. So, I have taken 2 to integral 0 to infinity. I put z square e power minus z square by 2 dz. You want to see the previous slide and cross verify? If you want, 2 I put 2 sigma square root of 2 pi 0 to infinity as z square e power minus z square by 2 dz. Yes. Okay. Again we are going for one more substitution. It is so long. As it is not going to stop immediately. As yes. So z square by 2 equal to t I have put. Even if you want, you can put z square also, no problem. For my convenience I put it like that. So dz is equal to 2 z dz is equal to, that means 2 and 2 cancel, dz is equal to, so dz is equal to dt by root of 2t. Did you get it or not? You check it. Z square equal to 2t. So z equal to root of 2t. So dz is equal to dt by root of 2t. I am waiting for you. You differentiate and write. Whether you got or not, you tell me. Differentiation, it is very easy only. Already multiple integral you have learned. I know what all you have learned, so it is very, you cannot escape from me. That is what. So you have differentiated, you got it. Now we will substitute, and also there is no change in the limit. That also we should see. Limit we should see. When z equal to 0, we can see that t is also 0. When z equal to infinity, t is also equal to infinity. Limit of integration also you should check it. So 2 sigma square by root of 2 pi, I have written it like that. 0 to infinity, there is no change in the limit. So z square means I can write 2t, and here e power minus z square by 2 e power minus t. For this purpose I have taken it. If you are taking according to that, you have to change. So only one or two steps extra will be coming. Okay, dt by root of 2t we wrote. Differentiation, integration, very nice topic. Yes, that this is the basic of mathematics for engineering mathematics. Yes. So I am cancelling root 2 and root 2. I can cancel, or 2. Okay, sigma square I am having, root pi I am having, root t and t I cancel. I am getting root t here, e power minus t dt. Now you check these steps are clear or not. All these, whether the integration, differentiation, cancellation, all that. Now what we can use, you tell me. Those who Bharadwaj told, you have learned gamma function. And also some more students told, I think. Okay? Okay, already. Pradyumna, Karthik has written gamma 3 by 2. Yes. We will rewrite it. If you are ready, I am changing the slide. Yes. Okay. Rohan has used that property of gamma also. Good. And one next gamma half, what it is? What are you going to write? And let me. Since you are computer experts, you will write it immediately. That is why. What you are going to write, let me. Yes, good. Okay, good. So now I am also familiar with that. That is why you could understand it. Otherwise, I would have thought how we will write it. Since our keyboard should be changed for mathematics people. Now that insertion part should come. Yes. We will go to the next slide. Yes. So I have rewritten it as 2 sigma square by root pi, like that itself I have written. 0 to infinity I wrote. Next, let me take the previous slide. E power minus t I wrote like that. Root t, that means t power 1 by 2, I can write it as 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1. T power 1 by 2, I can write root t is t power 1 by 2. That I have written as 3 by 2 minus 1. Now it is in the form of gamma function, which I have shown you. Integral 0 to infinity e power minus x power n minus 1 dx. So gamma n, here n is 3 by 2. You want to see the previous slide of definition of gamma function which I have written, or you are reading? Yes or no? You can write it gamma 3 by 2. Gamma 3 by 2. Gamma, you want to see back. Okay, alright, no problem. Let me complete and I will go back to that. Gamma n is equal to n minus 1 into. So we are writing it as half. 3 by 2 minus 1 is half. So gamma half. Gamma half, anyway you are remembering root pi. So cancelling all these, we are getting sigma square. That is the variance of the normal distribution. Variance of the normal distribution. I should go back and show you gamma definition. You let others finish this. After that I will go back and take once again the variance, how I have taken the mean. Yes? Okay. All of you copy down or you write it yourself. Did you write? Yes. Some more students, you at least you type something, you are very fast in typing, is it? Can I go back and take the previous slide and tell once again? Variance only we need once again. Variance is defined as expectation of x minus mu whole square, integral minus infinity to plus infinity, x minus mu whole square f of x dx, integral minus infinity to plus infinity, x minus mu whole square 1 by sigma root of 2 pi e power minus x minus mu whole square by 2 sigma square dx. We are writing the probability density function. Then we are giving the substitution. I think it is clear for all of you. Yes. Check it. Yes. I am moving to the next slide. No doubts, I think. We have given again substitution. Z square by 2 equal to t. Dz equal to dt by root of 2t. We have cancelled the common factors and simplified. Yes. Next class is very interesting. So many problems we will be doing. Don't think that it is full of theory. It is not like that. It is full of problems. Theory part, most of the part is over. Most means 90% over. Very less part only it is there now. Full of problems only we will be doing it in the next class. And quite interesting also. No, I am going, no, little more, let me. Start you want, Pranav. Oh, one more time I have to go back, Pranav. Okay, 1 minute. Only here only I started. Only one, okay, see fast, Pranav. I want to show 1 or 2 slides. After that I will stop and I will start here. Since I cannot exceed time. You won't like, and also you are having another class. Pranav, next slide. Okay. What are your requirements? You can write here in the chat box, or also I have made a group with all CRs. You can tell them they can contact me. Alright. Yes. Any requirement is there regarding COSM? Sending PPTs actually, that is what recorded session also they are telling that it will, if we give, you will not listen the class, and PPTs immediately if I send, you will not listen. Once you write down, once the unit is over, I will send it. Everything I will send it. How earlier it happened like that, I will send once the unit is over means I will send it. Okay, don't worry about it. Meanwhile, if you want anything, any topic, any difficulty is there means that part I can send, no problem at all. That is not at all a problem. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Previous class PPT, I am not advanced, you are not asking. The previous one only you are asking, just one? Okay, okay. And you did not write the previous one? Okay, I will send it, I will send it. Wait. Okay. A moderate step I will take. Okay, after 2-3 classes I will send it. Alright. Okay, now I can change Pranav. Okay. Next slide. Okay. One more. After that, one more. I am supposed to start 3:40. Actually, 41 it is. Rest. Make it okay. Completed. Oh, good, good, good. Okay. This. What about this one, Pranav? Did you see any doubt? All of you. All of you. Any doubt? This one they did not finish. This you want or previous one? Okay. Padma. No. You do it. Do it. No problem. I will wait. I will wait. Any doubt? I should explain again. I should explain or not? You are able to follow or not? Okay, all right.